Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel's insurance training session. Friends, once again this is a digital NB Ananda training video. In this video I am going to tell step-by-step procedure of LIC policy proposal registration just by using your mobile phone. No laptop is required. Just in 15 minutes you can complete on proposal registration. And also I am going to explain how each and every page of this digital proposal has to be filled. Friends, if you are new LIC agent or if you have any confusion in filling up a digital proposal, please watch this video till the end without skipping. I will assure you, you will be an expert in Ananda after watching this video. First of all, if you don't have Edge browser, I would suggest you to download a Edge browser from Play Store. If you have already downloaded, click on it to open the browser. On the search bar, type licindia.in and click on search button. licindia.in website will open. Find Ananda white letters on blue background. Click on Ananda, then click on OK on the message. A pink color external Ananda website will open. And on the bottom, you will find a pop-up message, add a digital NB to home screen. Just ignore this message. By using Edge browser itself, we can complete the process easily. On touching user tab, it will ask different options. If you are agent or CLIA with the password, then first option you can opt, or else login with OTP or secure token, second option you can select. On clicking enter, two options will come out, token login, OTP login. If you have token already created, means first option you can choose, or else second option OTP login you can select and click on proceed. How to do token login, how to create token, I'll share you in the next video. In the next page, you have to enter your agency code and click on get OTP. Then OTP will come to your mobile number linked to LIC master. Enter that OTP and click on proceed. If you are logging in for the first time into Ananda portal, then the page will appear like this. Before beginning Ananda proposal registration, agent has to update his own eKYC. Then only you can start actual process. How to download eKYC zip file and how to upload it, I have explained while doing the customer's eKYC updation. You can follow the same procedure to update your eKYC. Once eKYC of agent is updated, then whenever agent logins, then the page will appear like this. The terms and conditions of Ananda portal, what are the proposal can be completed through Ananda, every details will be there. Scroll down and click on continue to go to next page. On this page you can find three lines just below digital NB platform wording. If you touch on that, you will get other links to go to different pages. Now our first step is premium calculator and lead generation. Once you touch on that, you will get different plan categories like endowment, whole life, money back, health plans, pension, ULIP. Click on which category your plan which you have canvassed to your customer. If it is endowment type policies, just scroll down and locate your plan which you have canvassed to the customer. To select Jeevan Anand, just click on the premium yellow button. Here COVID-19 information page will open. If the customer has not suffered from COVID-19 from the last 3 months, then he has to click on no and click on proceed. On the next page, we have to type date of birth. Next, we have to select the gender, and in the product information, give sum assured. Select the payment mode, yearly, half yearly, quarterly or monthly. If it is monthly, under notch, you will get two more options, that is the notch with one due, notch with two dues. You have to select one of those options. When you click below the policy term, all available policy terms will appear. You have to select whichever the term you have suggested to your customer. For Jeevan Anand plan, there is no selection of premium paying term. It is equal to policy term. Next is date of commencement. In case if you want to date back your policy, you can change the date of commencement commencement. You can also change notch deduction date by changing the date of commencement. Next is under rider benefit. Before choosing the rider benefits, you have to select police personnel, yes or no. That means if the proposer is a police person, then if you choose yes, then under accident benefit required column there will be two more options: AB required on police duty, ADDB required on police duty. Accordingly, he has to select the riders. If his rider is selected, then he has to pay additional premium for that. In such case, if death or disability happens while doing police duty, the rider benefits will be payable. This AB or ADDB rider can be selected up to maximum equal to basic sum assured or less than that. Next rider is critical illness rider. If that is also suggested means, then you can type the suggested sum assured there. Next is term rider sum assured. If that is suggested to the customer means, that sum assured has to be typed there. Then touch on calculate premium. It will go to next page. There the premium calculation will be shown. Here you just check whether the date of birth and the premium given is matching with the one you have suggested to the customer. When you click on confirm and proceed, this page will appear. Here agency code number and DO code, branch code will appear. Satellite office code, if you want to select, you have to click there and you have to select. Then you scroll down and click on generate lead. Then Aadhaar based eKYC page will appear. As you have not yet downloaded offline eKYC zip file from Aadhaar site, just scroll down and click on the click here to download green link to go to Aadhaar site. Here you have to click on login, then you have to give the customer's Aadhaar number and captcha code you have to enter and send OTP you have to click. The customer will receive a OTP on his Aadhaar linked mobile number. That OTP has to be entered. Then you have to click on login. Here you will get different options. You have to scroll down and find offline eKYC. Click on that, then give 4-digit share code which you have to remember. Then you click on download and a pop-up message will come. There you click on download again, then your Aadhaar eKYC zip file will be downloaded. To proceed with Ananda page, to go to that page, just check the bottom of the page. There you will find the number of pages open in this browser. Just you click on the numbers, it will show all the web pages open in this browser. Click on the pink browser visible there. Again the previous page will come. That is offline eKYC zip file you have to select. Then proceed you click. Now here you give customer's Aadhaar linked mobile number and in the place of passcode you give the share code which you have entered while downloading the eKYC zip file. After that click on choose file. On the pop-up again click on files, then go to downloads. There your offline Aadhaar eKYC zip file will be visible. Click on that, then scroll down and click on continue. Then customer will receive a OTP through SMS or WhatsApp to his mobile number. That you have to enter, then click on continue. After that customer's profile according to Aadhaar will appear. On clicking continue, customer's eKYC will be done. For agents who is using Ananda portal for the first time, you have to do the same procedure for updating your eKYC. The next page of proposal registration will appear like this. If the customer is already completed a policy under Ananda module, he can give his policy number so that his data will be captured from that policy, or else click on skip. According to Aadhaar card, data will appear, name, address, everything. In the communication address, father name, mother name, and if there is a difference in communication address, that has to be typed. If there is no change in address, you can click on the same. If there is a little change in communication address compared to Aadhaar, you better type the correct address in communication address space. As the policy bond is dispatched through postal department, it is very important. Also enter your email ID, then save and proceed you click. On the next page, age proof, address proof, identification proof, no need to touch. You select the education qualification next and select your marital status. If you are married, give spouse name and place of birth you mention. As there is a red star on top, that field has to be filled compulsorily. If you have PAN number, you mention down. Next, on the policy related information, everything will be filled according to our premium calculation and lead generation. Once you click on save and proceed, next page will appear here. Next, according to customer profile, select occupation, nature of duty, source of income, whatever the options it gives, under which suits better according to customer's profile, that you select. If the customer is an employed person, then employer's name you have to mention, and completed service also you have to mention. Completed length of service should be in month. If 1 year completed means 12 you mention. And to mention annual income, there are 3 years annual income will be asked. The first one is with the star, that is a latest year's annual income, that is compulsory one has to put. And for higher sum assured and big cases, all 3 years income has to be entered. In the additional information page, you have to answer whether you are income tax assessee or whether you are registered under GST. Next, occupation, legal, activity related questions will appear. If all answers are no, then common no on top you click. On clicking save and proceed, next page, customer ID will be asked. If you know, you can mention the customer ID of the customer. Object of insurance, let it be risk cover with saving. And nature of income, proof submitted, let it be no income proof submitted. If the annualized premium is 1 lakh or more, then compulsorily income proof has to be uploaded, otherwise it is not required. Next, according to customer's annual income, select the tax bracket. If there is no secured loan or unsecured loan by the customer, then put as 0. For the next question, answer is yes, then put the income according to whether it is employment or business or profession. Accordingly, in that place you mention the income and click on total. Then tax residency details question will appear. If you are not paying tax to any other country other than India, then you click on no and save and proceed. On the next page, the visible green link with add details, that is for adding previous policy data. And down there are some more questions regarding previous insurance. If all answers are no, then click on the common no on top and save and proceed to go to next page. Here you have to add family history. Living members has to be added first. Father, mother, spouse, children, brother, sister, all their ages and status of health has to be entered and saved. If any member is dead, please add in the dead family member section. There also age at death and cause of death has to be mentioned. After adding all, click on save and proceed to go to next page. On this habits page, if you don't have any bad habits, then click on the common no on top. State of health, height in centimeter has to be mentioned and weight in kgs, and status of health select good. And below health details, there are questions pertaining to health. If you don't have any health issues, then select the common no. And under family medical history, if our answer is no, then click on no. And medical history, if your answer is no for all questions below medical history, then click on common no. Click on save and proceed to go to next. Here settlement option questions will be asked. If you want maturity payment to be paid in installment, then click on yes, otherwise no. If the death benefit has to be paid on installment, then you click on yes, otherwise no. Then you click on save and proceed to go to next page. In this page, you have to give first IFSC code and bank account number and account holder's name. Then you have to select saving account or current account. Below that is nominee details section. Then you have to enter the name and relationship and age and percentage of claim to be paid. If single nominee, 100%. If multiple nominee, claim will be divided according to percentage. To add more nominees, click on add more nominees. If nominee address is same as life assured, click there. The address will appear. Then you click on save and proceed. It will go to coronavirus questionnaire. Here everything will be filled except the third question. You have to answer whether vaccination has been taken. If yes, then you have to give the date of first dose, this is date of second dose, and name of vaccination. Once you click save and proceed, it will take to declaration page. Here you click on I agree. Next, agent's ACR page will appear. Here almost everything will be filled. How long do you know the life assured? For that question you have to give the answer. Also, which income proof you have verified, whether it is a salary sheet, whether it is IT return, whether it is CA certificate. For that you have to give your answer. Then you have to mention identification mark. After that you have to click on save and proceed. Then this page will appear. Here attach BOC, online payment, two options will be there. If you have already paid the premium, then you click on attach BOC and proceed. Or to make online payment, select online payment and click on proceed. Then three options will appear: view proposal, edit proposal and submit. Here you have to click on submit. Then this message will appear. Customer verification link is sent to customer mail ID. Then kindly inform the customer to proceed with proposal verification. You can inform the customer to do proposal verification, or else there is one more option, quick and easy method, by visiting the home page by clicking the open links in the admin job section. Before that, we should know the access ID of this proposal. If you have already noted down the access ID, then you can directly go to admin job by clicking the return to home page. To find out the access ID of this proposal, there is one more option. Click on the three lines to find case summary. Here you click on pending for customer verification. Here you will find all registered proposals which are pending for customer verification. Just note down the access ID and again click on the three lines to go to admin jobs. Here you click on the admin jobs and click on open link. Then on the other side, click on the customer verification open link. Here you enter the access ID first, then you enter the captcha code given below. Click on get OTP. Customer will receive OTP on his mobile. He enter that OTP and click on proceed. Here you will find three options: view proposal, edit proposal and submit proposal. Click on final submit. Here you will find premium details and you have to select I have fully understood. After that, once you click on proceed, then different payment options, select whichever is convenient to you and proceed for payment. If you are selecting UPI, click on UPI and that UPI ID will be available on PhonePe or Google Pay, whichever the payment app he is using. So you get that ID and enter here. Once you click on pay, then the customer will be asked by the app to make the payment. Once the payment is done, the message will appear payment successful. Then LIC site will show a confirmation message, e-sign proposal link has been sent to email ID of the customer, and also there will be a direct link to e-sign the proposal. If you click on the link, it will take to e-sign portal. Here you have to click on proceed. Then Digital India portal for e-signing will appear. Here you have to enter the customer's Aadhaar number and click on get OTP. Customer's Aadhaar linked mobile will receive an OTP from Aadhaar website. Enter that OTP and click on submit. Then a confirmation message, thank you for e-signing the proposal, will appear. This will end OTP sharing procedure of the customer. Now agent has to e-sign his ACR. For that again he has to go to Ananda page. For that he has to click on the page number appearing in the bottom. Click on pink color Ananda portal. Here you click on admin jobs, then click on open links. Here are the options available. First one, customer verification, is already done. We have done e-sign proposal also by directly clicking the link on the e-verification confirmation page. Other method is by clicking this link also you can do e-sign proposal. As proposal e-sign already done, let us do ACR e-sign. To do ACR e-sign also, let us click on admin jobs, then open links, then e-sign ACR link, open link. Again here you have to enter access ID, then click on get OTP. Agent on his mobile, he will receive a OTP, then enter that OTP, click on proceed. Again Digital India site will open, then it will ask Aadhaar number and click on get OTP. He will receive a OTP to his other linked mobile, enter that OTP and click on submit. After that, thank you for e-signing ACR, confirmation message should come, but sometimes message may be like this also, no valid response, request could not be completed, like that. In this case, actually you have tried again to do ACR e-sign, but after entering access ID and clicking on get OTP, the message came ACR e-sign already been done. This is just for your information. You may also get such type of message, maybe after e-sign of proposal or maybe after e-sign of ACR. Now customer proposal verification, customer e-sign proposal, agent ACR e-sign, everything is done. Now depending upon the sum assured and the case, MHR e-sign has to be done. If it is required, then is your development officer or your branch in charge will do MHR e-sign. For that also you can go to admin jobs, click on open links, click on eMHR link, open link. Again e-sign portal will appear, then you have to give access ID, select authority and give his SR number or code number. After clicking sign in, then you will receive a OTP. You can enter that OTP, then click on proceed. eMHR portal will appear. There you have to click again on proceed. You will get a confirmation message saying that thank you for e-signing MHR. With this, the proposal registration process will be completed. You can track this proposal by going to Ananda portal's homepage. You will find a proposal tracker on the homepage. There you have to give access ID and submit. This will show in that access ID what are the steps completed, all in green. The pending will in red. The proposal registration policy completion should be done by NB department. If the proposal is within auto completion limit, the proposal registration and policy completion also will be done on the spot. Friends, with this I am going to end this video. Please like this video and share with your agent friends. Comment your opinion and subscribe to our channel and support our channel and press the bell icon to get immediate notification of our new video. Thanks for watching.